Hello sir, good morning po. Ito po yung presentation namin, yung Excel tutorial po. Then, i-explain po namin kung ano po yung mga ginagawa sa po. Mga, wait lang po. Wait lang po sir. Ito po yung sa the basic navigating Excel workbook na entire Excel file, worksheet, individual tab within the workbook, cells, detail, next. Detail po sir. Okay po. Where you input data organized into rows and columns. Columns A, B, C, rows 1, 2, 3, cells address, combo of column plus row, e.g. A1. Entering data, click a cell and start typing. Press enter to move down or tab to move right. Ito po yung isa. Papakita namin. Ito na po sir. Formatting cells. Highlight the cells and use the home. Ulitin ko po sir. Formatting cells. Highlight the cells and use the home tab to change font size, style, or color. Adjust number formatting, align text, or wrap it to fit. Number 4, formulas and functions. Excel is all about formulas. Here's a few essentials. Basic math, and then etc. po sir. Lang po. Tapos meron pa pong isa. Wait lang, papakita ko. Ipapasa ko po kay Juanino po siya. Siya rin po yung susunod na magbabasa. Ito po sir. Wait lang po. So, ito po sir. Ito po. So, hello sir. Ito po yung pang 5 step. Sorting and filtering. Sorting. This feature allows you to arrange your data in a specific order such sa ulitin at sa pang 5 step sorting and filtering. Sa sorting, this feature allows you to arrange your data in a specific order such as alphabetically or numerically. Sa filtering po, filtering helps to display only the rows of data that meets specific criteria, hiding the rest temporarily. Step: highlight your data, go to Data tab, and click Filtering. Use the filter drop-downs to refine the view based on the criteria you set. So, sa pangalan po dito na po. So, add ko lang po sa sorting and filtering. Sorting and filtering are two key features in Excel that help organize and analyze large data sets and efficiently. Here's more details of sorting and filtering. Sorting organize data into specific orders, making it easier to find patterns or locate information. For example, the concept sort a list of names alphabetically A to Z or by descending order day by day. Or you want to search. Then you go to the data that you tab and click search. Choose the column and the order, ascending or descending to apply the search. And add ko lang po sir sa filtering. Filtering allows you to display only the rows data that meet specific criteria while temporarily hiding the rest. This is particularly useful when working with the large datasets, where you need to focus on specific information such as sales within a particular month or product within a certain price or range. Steps from filtering. Highlight your data and go to the data tab and click the small drop down arrows will appear on the top of each column. Click this arrow to select or deselect specific criteria to filter the data. As the summary of the sorting and filtering, sorting and filtering work together to simplify data analysis, enabling users to focus on relevant information quickly and efficiently. Yun lang po sa step 5 ng sorting and filtering. Alright. Isin po man natin. No po, sir. Up, up. Shortened visuals in Excel are essential tools for representing data in graphical format, making it easier to analyze trends, ident- identify patterns, and compare information effectively instead of interpreting. And so, ito po yung steps for create a chart. Number one, highlights the data, select the range of data you need to represent the chart from that data label. And number two, sorry, insert the chart. So, chart type that or put your data such a bar chart for comparing then over or chart or proportion. And number three, sorry, customize the chart. After inserting the chart, the tools will appear automatically. Use these tools to modify the charts appearance by changing the colors, fonts, and labels. You can also adjust elements like legend, axis, titles, and guidelines to enhance clarity. And ito po yung advantage of charts and visuals. They make data more engaging and accessible by transforming raw numbers into visually appealing format. Charts allow viewers to quickly grasp key insights and relationships such as growth, trends, comparisons, or distributions. They are versatile, offering various types to suit different datasets and purposes. In summary po sir, by using charts and visuals effectively, Excel becomes a powerful tool for presenting data in professional and impactful way, improving communication and understanding and sure, sa 7 step naman po is pivot table. Perfect to summarize in large datasets. Go to insert pivot table and drag field rows, columns, and values to analyze. And additional block pivot tables are one of the most powerful features in Microsoft Excel, especially useful for data analysis
Here a deeper dip into what they are, why they are important, and how to use them. And why is useful? Pivot tables. First, prepare your data. Ensure your data is in structured format with column headers. Avoid empty rows or columns. Insert pivot table. Go to insert tab, click on pivot table. The dialog box from select and set up the pivot table. You see new pivot table. Build pane, drag the column well from your data set into your case areas. Pangapat po, customize. Applying, sorting, grouping, or additional calculation like average, counts, or percentage.
And last third is yung keyboard shortcut. Control plus C and control V. Copy. Control plus commando. Control plus arrow key to jump sign data. And control plus super is the set number. Control C and V. Copy. Purpose quickly duplicate and transfer data. And control C is the undo. Revert your last action. Example, accidentally delete a row and please press Control plus D to restore it. Number 3, jump to the end of data plus Control arrow keys. The purpose of that is to navigate large data sets quickly. Example, if your data set has 10,000 rows, instead of just scrolling down, use this shortcut to move to the last data point instantly. Lastly, create a table. Alt or Control T. Convert a range of data into a formatted table with filters and structured preferences. The benefits of the Control T